calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh. Oh, midnight highway.
I better not touch my face now.
Shining just like sin. Why don't you hear me wonder? Tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wonder?
Well, hello. Welcome back to another episode of Street Foods of India. And today we have a beautiful, colorful bowl of Ragda Pattice. I've tried this couple of times in Mumbai, and honestly, I'm not a huge fan. I would rather prefer chole tikki over this any day, but this is good. I think the only thing missing is a spicy kick, but other than that, I managed to assemble a good bowl of Ragda Pattice. For these type of charts, focus entirely on the chutneys, the red and the green. As long as they are delicious, your dish will be awesome. The aloo tikki is lovely. Thanks for being here. This was episode 3 of Street Foods of India. Many more episodes yet to come. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy.